Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday. It's actually today, Sunday, January the 10th, 2025, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left: Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the binary puzzle. Yes, it's a binary time, and this one will be number 9889. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. Yes. Double 1's. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Double 1's. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Double 1's. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Okay. Then between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1's comes in O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Then between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1's, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. And we have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double check: 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, not today. This afternoon. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Because in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Alright. See you in a minute. Bye-bye for now.